gonna walk through the Off-Road Designs upper shackle hanger on how I'm gonna set this up. As you can see here, what we got is we got the factory hole. We moved the shackle hanger forward like 2.5 inches or something like that. Basically what we did was we just moved this bolt up to this bolt and then turned it a little bit to bring it forward to get our shackle angle better. You'll see it better when we get the shackles in it. The hole we punched for the factory hanger was too small. I don't have a knockout punch that goes big enough for this. It's better, it's gotta be bigger than 2 inch. So what I'm using is I'm using a die grinder to make the hole bigger and make it fit a little better. Plus it kind of gives me a little better fit. So what I did is this piece here bolts in from the back side and goes through the hole. Well, I need a template to do that, so all I did was just put a little grease paint on there and lined up all my bolt holes, pushed it against it, followed it around, kind of made myself a mark on there so I know where I need to be. And we'll go look at the other side and I'll show you what I already got done on it. So as you can see, the hole for the Off-Road Design one is bigger. This one's already finished up. I did the same exact thing. I pushed it against it, made a mark, die grindered it out. It's not perfectly round, but it's pretty close. So I push this thing through here. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of slack in it, but that's okay because we got to have a little slack in it, but it does fit very well. It is really strong. And so that's how that works. So now I just got to do a bunch of die grinding to make that hole fit just like this one does. And then once I'm back, I will show you what we got. Well, as you can see, we got it in the hole. It works good. Wasn't too bad. I got a little crazy over here on this side, but not too bad. I like to have it fit tight. We leave as much strength in there as we can. But overall, it works good. We'll start getting this thing bolted up and then keep on going.